I've thought of a few different things, so this might be a long video. In future I'll probably just do updates of particular ones, so if there's anything in particular you want me to report on, let me know. There might be the odd long one, but let's get into it. So I've labelled everything with B or C for bell pepper or chili pepper, and what I have in here is a smallish pot with quite a few in, a larger pot with just one in. This one I've taken off all the lower leaves to see if that makes it shoot up higher. This one's just kind of a control one of a smaller pot with a smaller one in. These are the sort of leftover ones, if I'm honest, so we'll just see if having a bit more space benefits them. Multiple ones in a bigger pot. These ones are a few of them in a smaller pot but with food, to see if the food makes any difference. Again, this is a bigger pot with one in, a smaller pot with one in, an even bigger pot with one in. This is just a bell pepper and a chili pepper next to each other to see the difference as they grow. One pot with many of them in, a smaller pot with food, one with the lower leaves stripped off, and then a sort of control one of a smaller pot with a smaller plant. I also have some inside in the shadier bit of the greenhouse to see if the shade will help or hinder them. And then most of them I have a counterpart outside, so these are the shady ones for outside. And then the different size pots with different amounts in them. So hopefully I can get interesting results. Just wanted to add a quick note. I know a lot of them look very dry. Underneath is still damp, it's just because I've added a sort of dry layer of topsoil, but also it's really hot, so I'm not going to water them until the sun's gone.